Hi guys, I'm Akhil Arya, Google certified digital marketing trainer, affiliate marketing trainer and a full-time affiliate. And I am earning more than 6 lakh rupees every single month with the help of affiliate marketing. And today I'm going to tell you how you can also earn from 50,000 rupees to even more than 1 lakh rupees every single month in passive income with the help of affiliate marketing. Now, even if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, what exactly it is, how people are earning a lot of money every single month, or you are an affiliate but you are not making enough sales and earning money, then this video is for all of you guys. Today I'm going to cover 6 topics. First one is a freebie where I'm going to give you a free ebook to become an affiliate superstar, and then I'm going to tell you what is affiliate marketing, what are its basics and fundamentals. Then I'm going to show you some real life affiliate marketing examples, and then I will teach you how you can replicate those people and earn money as an affiliate. And then I'm going to show you two amazing things, that is how I sold my previous affiliate website for 15 lakh rupees in just 8 months, and how I'm going to sell my current affiliate website for 1 crore rupees by the end of this year and by starting of next year. Alright, so stick to the video, and this video is going to be great and you are gonna love. Alright, so let's go over to my computer screen and let's start. So guys, let's start our affiliate marketing overview. First section is freebies. That is, I told you that I will be giving you one free ebook on affiliate marketing superstars, but now I have decided I'm giving you 3 ebooks but not one, which are Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss, and Make a Fortune Promoting Other People's Stuff Online, that is Affiliate Marketing Superstars by Rosalind Gardner. And these 3 ebooks changed my life, and they will definitely change your life, the way you think about money and passive income and affiliate marketing. Okay, so whenever you have free time, you should read these free ebooks, and these are very beneficial for you if you go through them. Okay, now affiliate marketing basics. So what do you mean by affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means promoting other companies' products or services in exchange of commissions. That means we will be selling other companies' items, and upon every successful sale, that company is going to give us commissions. And the person who promotes other companies' products is known as affiliate. That means I am an affiliate and you are now going to become one, and such a program offered by these companies is known as affiliate program. Now let's check out some affiliate programs examples. First one is, you can promote physical products from e-commerce websites such as Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Snapdeal, Walmart, etc. And if you are just starting affiliate marketing, this is one of the best method, and I'm going to take you through this method in very detail. Second one is, you can promote tour packages, hotel bookings, flight tickets from TripAdvisor, Booking.com, Travel Payout, etc. And this also has a lot of earning potential, and you don't even need many visitors. Even if you have a small number of visitors, you can earn a lot of money. I will be showing you how. And then third one is, you can promote digital products such as ebooks, courses, softwares from ClickBank, JVZoo, etc. But this is not if you are just starting affiliate marketing. This is for advanced affiliates like me who have some experience and they have initial investment to run ads on social media. Okay, so I will be telling you third one in future, but for now we are going to focus on the first one, that is e-commerce. So now let's check out some of these affiliate methods. Now we will go to Amazon.com. Once you are on Amazon.com, you go to the footer section and you will see a column, Make Money with Us, and you will see an option there, Become an Affiliate. Now we will be becoming an affiliate. Okay, now once you are on this Amazon Associates, they are telling you that if you are going to help sell their items, they will be giving you up to 10% commission. Okay, and this is not low, you can earn a lot of money, and I will be just showing you how. All we have to do is join their affiliate and then sell their items, and then you are going to earn money. I will be showing you some affiliate websites examples and also my own Amazon dashboard in just few minutes. Now let's check out some other. Now we will check TripAdvisor affiliate program. Okay, so let's go to it. And guys, this is one of the best methods to earn a lot of money. Why? Because in this you can earn 50% commission. 50% commission. That means if any visitor that come to your affiliate website, and suppose he have to go to Rajasthan and he books a tour package of Rajasthan of 50,000 rupees, then you are going to earn 25,000 rupees from just one single visitor. Now imagine if your website is getting hundreds of visitors daily, then you can earn a lot of money, and there's a very huge potential. And once the coronavirus is finished, people are going to travel a lot, so it's the best time to join this affiliate. So now let me show you how this actually works. Now suppose you have to buy yourself some running shoes. So what you are going to search online? You will search best running shoes, because you want to check what are the some of the best running shoes and which one you should buy. And whenever you search this is what we call an keyword, and keywords are very important. So all these websites that are ranking on this particular keywords are affiliate website. All they do is they will redirect you to Amazon, and once you go on Amazon and buy anything, these websites are going to earn money. How? Let's check out one of these websites. So let's go to runningshoesguru.com. Okay, now they have written an article, best running shoes of 2020, and just in the starting they are showing us three shoes that you can buy: Brooks, Ghost, Essex, Nike. Okay, and they are giving you some ratings and a call to action button, that is check it on Amazon. So once you go on Amazon, from these call to action buttons, these are called affiliate links. You will also receive once you join the Amazon Associates. And once you are on Amazon, then visitor that you have sent to Amazon, even if you buy these shoes or not, or even if you buy any jeans or t-shirt or any other item on Amazon, this website Running Shoes Guru is going to earn money on every single sale, and not only on these shoes. Okay, so all we have to do is that send our visitors to Amazon from these call to action buttons. Okay, now let's check out their article. So they are showing different shoes, and then they are giving a call to action button, check it on Amazon. Then there's a small review, then there's pros and cons, that is advantages and disadvantages, what they like about this shoe, what they don't like about this shoe. Okay, and just like this they are showing you different shoes that you can buy. So suppose I like this one, Nike Zoom, and if I go on Amazon from this call to action button, check it on Amazon, then obviously I will be redirected to Amazon. And now once if I buy these shoes, or I buy jeans or t-shirt, anything I can buy, this website Running Shoes Guru is going to earn money from every single successful sale. Okay, so all we have to do is pick a topic for a website. For example, this website has chose shoes topic, and then they select keywords. I'll be telling you how to select keywords. It is very easy, anyone can do this, and we will be creating website. And creating website is the most easiest part. You can create a website in just 5 minutes. Okay, you don't have to learn any coding or all that shit. Okay, so now let's check out some other examples. Now suppose you have to buy microwave ovens. Now I search best microwave oven. Again you will see a lot of affiliate websites on these online. Why? Because whenever people buy from Amazon, they will first search what are the best items, that is best shoes, best microwave ovens, best Bluetooth earphones, anything. Okay, and then these affiliate websites will show you that which item you can buy. Now as you can see, reviews.in, homezine.com, kitchenarena.com, bestforyourhome.com, digit.in. So let's go to this website, kitchenarena.in. Okay, now they have written an article, 13 best microwave ovens in India 2020, buyer's guide and reviews. Buyer's guide means that whenever you are going to buy an item, you should look for factors that why you should buy it, what are its advantages, what are its disadvantages, and then review on each and every microwave oven. So let's check out their article. Okay, now they are showing us different kinds of microwave ovens. First one is best convection microwave ovens, and they are showing us LG 32L convection microwave oven. And as you can see, they are giving us a call to action button, that is check price at Amazon or view on Amazon. Then they have written review on this microwave oven, and then pros and cons. All these websites follow this format, and that is what are its advantages, disadvantages, and again they're giving us a call to action button. So once you click on this call to action button, you will be obviously redirected to Amazon, and when you buy this microwave oven or anything else, this website kitchenarena.in is going to earn money from every single sale. Okay, so just like this, they are showing us different kinds of microwave ovens, and after this 13 microwave ovens, there will be a buyer's guide. So let's check out. Okay, now there's buyer's guide, that before buying a microwave oven, what factors you should look into, such as microwave cooking, the concept, difference between different kinds of microwave ovens, different types of microwave ovens such as solo grill. So they are telling you that which one is good. Why? Because all these websites want is to be redirect to Amazon. Okay, different styles of microwave ovens. So all these websites work in the same manner, that is, whenever people search for best X items online, they will be showing you reviews of this item. So now let's check out some more examples. Now suppose I have to buy best Bluetooth headphones. Okay, now I have searched best Bluetooth headphones. Again, you will see a lot of these affiliate websites ranking the Wirecutter. Okay, let me show you the Wirecutter. It is a very famous website. Guys, can you imagine how much money this website is earning? This website is earning 30 crore rupees every single month. That's right guys, 30 crore rupees. And the guy who made this website, it was sold to then New York Times company. Okay, and now New York Times is earning 30 crore rupees per single month. Why? Because they have written reviews on almost every single items. As you can see, you can also get ideas for your own affiliate websites such as electronics, audio, batteries and charging, cameras, computers, exercise, gaming, headphones, home and garden, bathroom, bedroom, cleaning, garage, furniture, gardening, safety. Now suppose I go to gardening, you will see these are all reviews articles, that is the best patio umbrella and stand, the best smart sprinkles, the best lawnmower. Now if I go to the best lawnmower article, so they will be showing you different lawnmower. And these websites don't have not only joined Amazon associates, they can redirect you to multiple e-commerce websites, and these websites are earning from all these e-commerce websites. So they are showing us that you can buy this lawnmower for $650 from Home Depot. Now once I click on this call to action buttons, and I will be redirected to this website homedepot.com, and if I buy now anything from Home Depot, this website is going to earn money. So from your own affiliate website, you cannot earn only from Amazon, you can also earn from Flipkart, Snapdeal, eBay, any e-commerce website that you like. Okay, so this was the Wirecutter. Now let me show you one more example, and then I will take you to my Amazon dashboard. Now I will search an item which is sold in USA. I mostly target USA. Best source for woodworking, because woodworking is very famous. Okay, Sewing Pros. Now as you can see by the name itself that this website is an affiliate website, and they are focusing on different kinds of saws. Okay, and in this article they have written best hand saws for woodworking in 2020, again reviews and buyer's guide. Now if you go through this article, okay, now first they have shown us a comparison table. For those people who do not have the time to read all the complete article, they can firstly go through this comparison table, see the editor's rating, warranty, anything else you can show them. I will tell you how to create these comparison tables. It takes only like 5 or 10 minutes. And suppose if you want to buy this saw, and you will click on this check price button, and voila, you are now on Amazon, and now you can buy anything from Amazon, and this website Sewing Pros will be earning money for next 24 hours that you buy from Amazon.com. Okay, and as you can see, they have made this website on Sewing Pros, and they have written articles on like best jigsaws, best miter saw stands, best scroll saws, best table saws, best tile saws. Okay, so this is how these websites work. All they do is choose an item, suppose saw or microwave oven or shoes, anything, you can choose anything, and then we will make review websites on these items, and we will be redirecting our website visitors to Amazon. And the best thing is guys, that anyone can make this website. Even you are studying in 10th standard or in college, or you are doing job, or you are a housewife, anyone can do this, and it's very easy. All you have to do is follow me step by step, and you will be learning every single thing. Okay, so now let's go to my Amazon dashboard. I will show you. Okay, so now let's log into my Amazon dashboard. Okay guys, now we are on my Amazon dashboard, and once you join Amazon Associates and you have a review website, then you will get an dashboard just like this, and Amazon will show you how many clicks you are getting, how much money you are earning. All right, so let me show you my complete report of this month. So guys, as you can see, in this month April, from 1st April to 26th April, I have earned around 1,19,000 rupees, and this, by the end of this month, I will be earning 1 lakh, around 1,30,000 rupees. And this is not even my main income source. Okay, this is for all those people who are just starting in affiliate marketing, and I will, when your experience will grow, I will take you to much higher level where you will be earning lot more money from different methods. Okay, so as you can see, I have this month I made 93.5 thousand rupees from USA, UK, and some more countries. I don't target India because you are not going to earn a lot of money from India. So my best recommendation is that you target United States only, and I will be telling you how. Okay, so this is my dashboard, and now I'm going to show you two amazing things. First of all, that how I sold my previous affiliate website for 15 lakh rupees in just 8 months, which was a very huge mistake for me, because now I'm earning a lot of money, and I'm going to sell this website for now minimum 1 crore. I just started affiliate marketing back then, and when I was earning only around 50,000 rupees, I was very eager, and I just sold my website at 30 multiple, around 14 lakh 96,000 rupees, almost 15 lakh. But I'm not going to repeat that mistake, and I will be selling my this current affiliate website for minimum 1 crore rupees. How? So let me show you. Now we will go to Empire Flippers. So guys, what is Empire Flippers? As you all know that people buy and sell houses, people buy and sell mobile phones, people buy and sell cars, scooters, anything. You can buy and sell anything. So just like that, lots of people are buying website and selling website. So Empire Flippers is one of those website brokers where you can buy or sell a website. So let me show you their marketplace. So let's go to the Empire Flippers marketplace, and you can buy any type of website and sell any type of website, but now we are going to focus only on Amazon Associates. That means all those sites that are earning money from Amazon affiliate. Okay, so these as you can see, first they will be show you the niche of their website, that the website that is for sale is in which niche. Niche means the topic for their website, such as news and education, home, beauty, home, news and education, gaming, pet care, kitchenware, hobbies, sports, equipment, digital media, food and beverages, technology, travel, health and fitness, baby care, automotive, and lot more. Okay, so I will be also telling you how you can choose these profitable niches and find keywords. And here they are showing the monthly net profit, that how much money these websites are earning every single month, and what is the selling price. So as you can see, this website is earning $46,000 per month, and it is for sale at $1.8 million at 40 multiple. Okay, this is $1 million, not rupees. So here also you can see many sites, $40,000, $25,000. These websites are earning this much money, $15,000, $6,000, and you don't even have to earn that much money. And if you work just like I told you, you can easily earn more than $1,000 or $2,000 by the end of 2020, and you can also sell your website for this much money. Okay, and these websites sell mostly between 30 to 40 at multiples. That means the money that you're earning every single month, you can sell your website at 40 multiple of that price. So as you can see, this website is for selling at 40 multiple, 36, 31, 36, 34, 44, 38, 43, 39. Okay, so let's suppose if I sell my website at only 30 multiple, then By the end of this month, I will be earning 1,30,000 rupees. So if I sell my website today on Empire Flippers, my website is going to be sold at 40 lakh rupees, guys, 40 lakh. But I'm not going to sell my website now, because first I will add now some more content on my website, and by the end of this year I will be making 3 lakh rupees, because for the past 5 months I have not updated my website. I was focusing on selling softwares and other things, so now I'm going to focus on this just for you guys. And when I will be selling my website for 1 crore rupees, I will be recording the video and send to all of you guys, just for motivation, that this is not a scam. Okay, first of all, this is not a scam, because this is not a Ponzi scheme, this is not a referral system that you have to add people below you. This is complete genuine method, and lots of people are earning lot of money. Why? Because this is not a degree. You are not learning MBA for 4 years and paying lakhs of rupees. You are not going to college. You are learning a skill, and that's what people need in nowadays. Okay, so you will be learning skill of not only affiliate marketing, but also of website creation, of social media marketing, search engine optimization, and on the basis of these skills you can get job. Okay, but this is not for the job. We will be doing affiliate marketing just for ourselves to make money online. So guys, you just saw affiliate marketing websites examples, and how me and other affiliates are earning a lot of money. And it's time for you to create your very own affiliate website, so that you can also earn more than 50,000 rupees every single month in passive income. And for that, I will give you my affiliate success system, where you will learn step by step how to create these profitable niche websites. And this is the exact blueprint that made me a successful affiliate. Here you will learn how to find profitable niches, how to find low competition keywords, how to create a website in just 5 minutes. Creating website is very simple, and how to get amazing content, how to do SEO, and much more. Now, if you were to learn affiliate marketing from these so-called digital marketing institutes or other fake gurus, you would have to pay 30,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, or up to 85,000 rupees in some cases. But I know everyone cannot afford from these digital marketing institutes, so I am giving away my affiliate success system at such a low cost that everyone can afford it and learn affiliate marketing. You can grab my affiliate success system for only 2,000 rupees. That's it guys, only 2,000 rupees, one pink note, that's all. Now instead of wasting 2,000 rupees here and there, you should invest it in a good way that can learn you a new skill and benefit for your long term. So guys, if you are really serious about making money online, then 2,000 rupees is a very small investment that can give you a huge ROI. And not only you will be earning money from your affiliate website, you are also learning new skills like website creation, social media marketing, search engine optimization, and lot more. And if you grab my affiliate success system today, I will also show you an amazing affiliate program that can make you earn 45,000 rupees each month with just one sale a day for free. And if you still have doubts about my affiliate success system, whether it will be beneficial for you or not, you don't have to pay right now. You can grab my first 2 lessons absolutely free and an ebook on becoming an affiliate marketing superstars. The link is given below. So guys, I tell you, don't waste your time. Start my affiliate success system today. Thank you.